The Galphi 3-channel dashcam offers comprehensive coverage with its triple camera system, capturing footage from the front, rear, and inside the cabin. Equipped with a high-performance Novatek chipset and Sony sensor, this dashcam delivers smooth 1080p front video and 720p cabin and rear video, all displayed on an IPS screen. With super night vision and infrared cabin lights, the camera ensures clear and precise footage even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rideshare drivers. The built-in gravity shock sensor automatically locks footage in the event of a collision, and the loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by overwriting old files. The parking monitor function provides additional security by recording any collisions that occur while the car is parked, offering peace of mind against theft and vandalism. Designed for easy installation, the compact Galphi M2 dashcam does not obstruct the driver's view and supports a memory disk of up to 128 GB for extensive video storage.